the 2019 Ram 1500 Classic. This four-door, six-passenger truck stands out among competitors in its class. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, such as remote keyless entry, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a front bench seat, heated door mirrors, a trailer hitch, a bed liner, and air conditioning. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.